guys, welcome back to my channel. Since it's springtime, this is going to be a spring makeup tutorial. And as usual, I'm going to be starting on my eyes. Usually I do my eyelids first and then like the rest of my eye. And that includes the lower lash line. Some eyeliner in a condensed version because that took forever doing that eyeliner. And now onto the face, which I like doing just as much as my eyes. I'm gonna cue the music real quick. And I usually do my eyebrows after foundation and concealer, before starting bronzer and contour, and then the rest of my face. And for reference, in the contour palette that I use for bronzer, I always use the last one on the first row, and for contour, in the contour palette, I use the first one on the second row. For blush, I use that palette and this one right here. I use the Flower Beauty one first, and it was my first time using it. It has like a golden reflect to it. It's really pretty, and it went with my shirt, and I was like really happy about that. And after I used that one, I went in with Captivate from the bigger palette. The Captivate shade is the purple one, and on the first row. What I liked about the Flower Beauty blush is that it said when I bought it that supposedly the color changes when you apply it based on what your skin tone is, and it actually does. Like, I think it's like the heat of your skin or something. It's like really cool. And for lips, I usually just do a combination of lipstick with some lip gloss on top. So yeah, here is the finished look. Super cute for the quarantine. Bye.